Wanted man fatally shot in St. Catherine. A police officer is also injured. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with a full and exclusive
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A man said to be on the police most wanted list was shot and taken out in an operation in St. Catherine. The man has been identified as Barrington Campbell, otherwise called Cooley. He was fatally shot in the Riversdale area of St. Catherine on Friday. Reports are that a police officer was also shot and injured during the confrontation and a firearm seized by the police. The police investigation continues. St. Catherine is one of several parishes also under a state of public emergency. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching.